Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Practical Hakka once again right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Edis Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin Zap Siu. And that's my Hakka name, by the way. We are continuing on phone conversations in Hakka, and today let's talk about making a reservation. 其实这个话题好像在几个月前有提过了，就是要定位，要约定东西，预约 Yeah, making reservations. So, let's do something different. 因为以前我们都是去餐厅啦，我们这次我们来定说去看牙齿好了。So let's make an appointment at the dentist, all right? 我想预约今天晚上7点看牙齿好了。Okay, that means I want to make an appointment tonight, 7 o'clock, for a dentist appointment.
我想醫藥，
要去醫院哦。
咩？
啊，醫藥是醫院嗎？
預約
哦，是預約哦，醫藥 that means I want to make a reservation. 我想醫藥。
安補鴨，
安補鴨什麼？姜母鴨嗎？安補鴨
是今天晚上
哦，真的嗎？Tonight 是安補鴨，真的像姜母鴨。好 ，that means tonight
7點
啊，7點7 o'clock 7點了哈。
看牙齒
啊，看牙齒哦，看牙齒 for a dentist appointment。
海陸腔，看牙齒。
All right, different dialect for making a dentist appointment。
看牙齒，
孔牙齒。
对。
哦，这个牙齿整个要爆出来才念得出来。孔牙齒。All right, so that's making an appointment at the dentist. Let's make an appointment for afternoon tea this Friday afternoon. All right.
我想醫藥，
醫藥就是預約 make a reservation. 我想醫藥。
禮拜五嘅下午茶。
哈，下午茶是下午茶吗？下午茶那个中饭是怎么说？我忘了。
食豬。
对嘛？所以中午是食豬，那下午茶变
下午茶。
下午茶。Anything associated with the afternoon, it sounds like 豬 basically, right? 还不错 all right. And then finally, the other side might say, oh, you know, I'm sorry, we're all booked. 这是最讨厌碰到的状况，就是对方回答说对不起，已经约满咯。
哦，滿了哈。
啊，滿了。
排泄。
哎，又是排泄。
醫藥嘅人。
醫藥嘅人。
幾件年咧。
幾件年咧。
對。
all booked。年咧。
就滿出來了。
Okay. All right. So there you have it. If you get that response, that means I'm sorry, we're all booked. We're full. So there you have it. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.